Hi, it's Henry here in Centreville, Virginia. I just finished doing one of my clients' rugs. We actually did about I think three total,
Hmm.
three rugs total, and now is delivery day. Yeah, so some of the rugs have pet hair, things of that nature. We picked it up. We gave it a nice hand wash. Have the client here. How do you like the work that you see here with all the
It's
rugs?
it's just beautiful. All the colors have been restored. They're bright. There's no stains on the rug. It's fresh and clean looking. Couldn't be more pleased.
Absolutely. And even before she even got the rugs, this is a testament of our customer service. Just based off our customer service alone, my client already gave us some referrals already, just based off our customer service. Now,
Hadn't even seen the rugs yet, and I already recommended Henry.
absolutely. And it's a testament to our work and what we stand for here at Neighborhood Carpet Cleaner. So I really, truly do appreciate you and appreciate you for leaving this feedback on video. And yeah, if you need any other services, you can contact us.
Absolutely will. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.